I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at how to refresh your bathroom using accessories from Moen. And I like Moen because it's a really good quality of product, and I like some of their more modern touches on some of these bathroom accessories that you can use to relatively easily refresh an older bathroom. So the first thing we're looking at here, this is the Moen Magnetics shower head. And it's easy to put on. Just put a little bit of Teflon tape on the original pipe from your shower head, and then just screw this on. And the Moen Magnetics shower head is really nice because it's a configuration where it's basically like a traditional shower head when you're using it, but then you can also remove the shower head and make it into a hand shower. So you can see the way that it's kind of set up here. There's the bottom part where you have the handle, and then as you get up towards the top, there's a magnet that connects it to the pipe. And that way it can stay, again, in a normal configuration. You can just shower normally, and then you can pick it up and use it as a hand shower as well. So a really nice thing there. This is in the brushed nickel color. It also comes in a chrome color if you want to match what's already in your bathroom. And it has 6 different functions. You can see that there's a little lever on the shower head, and you can cycle through those functions to get a massage setting, to get a lighter spray, and it's very water efficient too. So this is how I have it set up in my bathroom, and I found it to be really helpful. The other thing that's nice, it's not immediately obvious here, is that you can actually move the top of the head around here, and that way you can actually position it and spray at a different angle, even when it's connected to the magnet that holds it up there. So that's the Magnetics shower head. The next one I want to take a look at here, this is the lounge robe hook. So you can see it with a robe on there. This is a close-up. And it's got 2 sides, so you can do 2 robes on it. And I like it because it's very stylish, modern kind of look with the lounge line there from Moen. And it's very easy to install. You just find a stud or use the included drywall anchors and screw it into either the drywall or sheetrock in your bathroom or into a stud. And then the actual hook itself just goes on, and as you can see, there's a little dot underneath the hook there. That's where you put in an Allen wrench, tighten it up, and it takes probably about 10-15 minutes to install, and then it will support a good amount of weight in terms of hanging a couple robes on there. And I just like, again, this look where it does have this sort of a classic with a little kind of bald look to the top, but it has that brushed nickel look and finish, and then a sort of a modern appearance with those 2 individual hooks going off on the side there. So a nice way to add some robe storage so that you're not having to just drape those over something in the bathroom, and also to add a little bit more of a modern look there too. And then the final one that I want to take a look at here, this is the Moen towel bar, also from the Lounge collection. And this was honestly the hardest thing to install of the accessories that I put into my refreshed bathroom. It does take about maybe 40 minutes because you have to level it on the wall. So it comes with a template, and you have to screw into the wall, put in anchors, or screw into different studs. And you do want to make sure that it's level, so I would recommend using a laser level with this, along with the template that Moen provides. But once you do get it on there, it's great because it's a double towel bar, so you can put up to 4 towels depending on the size, because you can put some on the back of the bar and then some on the top here, and it keeps them separated so they dry out nicely. And if you do use the drywall anchors that are included or screw it into a stud, it's super secure, so you can definitely put heavier bath towels on there. And I love that it makes it easier to store those, and with the double bar, you really get a lot of towel storage. So you probably only need 1. I bought 2 originally. I actually found I only needed 1 of them because, again, you can store so many towels on it. So I really like that, and it's that same brushed nickel finish. I believe it is available in a chrome as well. And again, it gives that nice modern look to your bathroom. So these are really easy to install accessories. You need, probably a screwdriver or drill and a laser level to do it properly. But it's definitely something you can do at home if you're handy. And again, the shower head just really elevates the shower, probably saves water versus your current shower. And it also is nice to have that option to either use the traditional look where you're using it like a attached shower head, as you can see here, or you can easily just grab that top part and use it as a hand shower as well because of that magnetics connection. So those are 3 different accessories from Moen that I love to refresh a bathroom.